Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. First off, I'm going to talk about the S&P and the US markets. Well, as you can see, I opened the Bollinger Band to make it clear. As you can see, almost starting from the November, it starts to make its way very small area. It may go up and go down in very small area, like this, and the Bollinger Bands just really squeeze at the moment, and we are waiting for a Bollinger Band to make a way to stocks to make a way. Not the Bollinger Band, the stocks are making their way, but Bollinger Band shows us. So we are waiting for a make a breaking and breaking on and deciding on its way is imminent at the moment, and we are waiting for it. I believe it will be go through like 70,000, 7,000. I believe it will be go through like the go past above the 7,000 and made its way above the $7,000. I'm waiting for it at the moment because still we are yet waiting for the AI, and I believe in Friday this CPI, I mean core inflation rate. I believe this core inflation rate we are expecting to get below the what was in the next what was in the uh, recent data. We are waiting more. I'm waiting more below inflation rate what was expecting in the Friday. For my opinion, I'm expecting it because the US money supply is very way below the American economic growth at the moment. So I don't I believe it will be past to $70,000. So I I suggest do not miss this opportunity for the moment in the US markets because it made its reconciliation at the moment, and it will be go its way. So if I have to talk about the Dow Jones made its all-time high, closed all-time high yesterday. That's good, and it break the its way, it break and find its own way. So it's good. Also, it's good. Also with Nasdaq, it's a little bit going down, but waiting for it. I believe Nasdaq will be follow them because the AI rally will be happen with the Nasdaq. So we are expecting it. Not a much problem at the moment. Well, with the gold, if you are going to talk about the gold, well, I'm going to go in the 12 hours. Well, there is a resistance over here in the gold, as you can see. Well, it cannot be get past to the 5091 level, as you can see over here. There's a resistance, and it could not pass through here. So I'm not looking good at the moment for the gold. And if it going to pass through it, if it can made pass it today, but it didn't. So I'm not looking good at this gold at the moment. But if it going past through it, we will going to look what's going to be happen. But right now, I won't suggest gold, and I won't buy gold at the moment because it's have to make its reconciliation if it's going to make its way up again, and if it's going to be go down, it have to be just have to fake in peoples. So I wouldn't suggest the gold right now. Maybe gold buyers are in the danger, and maybe they are manipulating you at the moment. So if I have to go talk about the silver is bad, still bad, and well, if you look through the 12 hour and the history, when it made its way to up, it's always follow this one, as you can see. This. I'm going to show you more close. It hit here, hit and rebounded, hit, oops, hit, bounce, hit. It didn't go below it and didn't ended the candle, any candle below it. So at the moment it hit through it and it can be go below it. So I wouldn't suggest the silver at the moment. Silver is a dangerous at the moment if it's not going to pass through the even the this blue line. It's a Bollinger Band line, but I'm going to say you this: the platinum. Well, I believe platinum buyers should really listen to this because it's a really threatful moment at the moment. And if the commodities, the rare elements, I mean the gold, silver, and the other stuff goes down, the platinum will be go catastrophically down, because platinum just entered this rally very late and made a really good run. And um, right now the rally is not fueling with the gas at the moment, because the rally just yet ended. And if the prices of the gold and silver go down, this platinum price will be go down very catastrophically. We are waiting for it, so do not rush to buy platinum at the moment. And if it go below down the 1900, it's a sell. It's a sell sign at the moment. So, well, with the cryptos, well, if you have Bitcoin, just mark my words about this. Well, it made the Bitcoin started to go down from. I'm going to show you from here weekly. Bitcoin started to go down from the 123 levels to the 80,000 levels, and then I'm going to enter daily. This is, and at that moment that was a capitulation level, because it was out of the Bollinger Band and other stuff and all other stuff, and it was out of the Bollinger Band and got entered the Bollinger Band and waited from here, got some fuel above here and tried to get past to the Kaufman moving average, and it didn't, it gone down. But it isn't at the moment, it is not the same thing at the moment. It gone down from really hard, it's sold off really hard, and it out of the Nadaraya Watson level, it out of the Bollinger Band, it was Bollinger Band level again, it was out of it, and it gone up like 12%, and it will be tries to go to the Bollinger Band again. As you can see over here, it tried it again. When it got rebounded from there, it gone back to the hit to the Bollinger Band. It always happens when it out of the Bollinger Band, when the price was going down, by the way. And I'm expecting it to be go to the 60,000 levels, and I believe that will be it for the Bitcoin for the moment ahead of us, maybe a couple months, maybe a couple of weeks, but I believe that will be it for the Bitcoin. I won't think it will be go to the 40,000 levels. Also with the Ethereum sign will be 1600, and I think it will be 1600, and XRP will be 1.2, and Monero I don't think it will be go to the Bollinger Band, because there is a lot of powerful trend line over here. This trend line is powerful. It can be hit to the 290, and I believe it will be go back, because the sell-off in the cryptocurrencies, I believe it's ended at the moment. I'm going to okay, so that's my opinion for the markets. Thank you for watching my video. See you all.